It's 44 past 9. Good morning. Hello, lefty. Oh, a little right here. Too little. Too little. What I want to do here on the daily vlog, I want to let you know that I've got bruised ribs. Maybe only mainly one, this one here. And it's kind of painful, but I also want to show you. So when I edit my wave of days, I typically remove the audio from the mouth mount GoPro because it's so close to my mouth, so you hear me grunting and moaning. Now I want to tell you that the grunting and moaning, look at this, what? The grunting and moaning that you hear is exaggerated because you're so close to my mouth. But now that I've got a bruised rib, the grunting and moaning is going to be kind of funny. Now I'll let you know I'm not exaggerating. Here comes a nice right. Here we go. Listen to this groaning. Oh no! Well, that just closed out on me. I've got to get out a little deeper. Just listen to this. I'll put you back in my mouth. I'll paddle, and you'll hear me go like a. There'll be like a. It's not as bad as it sounds, but it sounds kind of bad. Was that bad? It's pretty embarrassing. I normally cut that shit out, but today I want to show it to you. Hey, what's this? It's gonna be left. There's a left. Holy. Not meant to break left here, it's meant to be a right hand. Well, there you go. Little lefty. What's this going to be, another left? Huh? How come they're breaking left? Here comes a big mama right. Nah, lousy, lousy. What? Another left. That should be going left. Okay, here comes a right. No, gonna close out. Gonna close out. Oh. That hurts. Okay, so my ribs are really hurting. Too much surfing, huh? Oh well. What's this?